Hello students, this is Kanupriya from the Study Saath Saath channel. So as talked about in the previous video, we have this very huge announcement for you all here today. So the Study Saath Saath team has got for you a very extensive and a wonderful program for all the students who will be enrolling in this and will be preparing the students for the upcoming prelims examination. Now, you might be wondering कि इस program में ऐसा क्या है or why should we enroll in this program? So let me tell you this one thing, that I had this thing in my head since a long time. So the team has been working for it for quite some time. But then we have come with this idea and created some wonderful tests, and we have some brilliant ideas in our head. तो एक तरीके से this would be a sort of crash course and an ultimate crash course for the students who will be enrolling in it. Details बता रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा सब्र करो. But as I always say, that you as students and I as a teacher here, if we work wholeheartedly and if we stay focused, we can get through it very easily. ठीक है, तो अब काम की बात पर आ जाते हैं. इस प्रोग्राम के बेनिफिट्स बता दूँ थोड़े से, and then I'll tell you why should one enroll in it. Firstly, this would be a program just for 30 students. When I say 30, I have a reason behind it. The reason is that the amount of energy that it would require per student would be immense. Firstly. Secondly, looking at the limited time that we have before the prelims examination, I think a batch of 30 would be enough for me to give maximum focus upon. Secondly, this would be a one-to-one guidance program where me and sir would be taking these tests, and there would be doubt sessions on the weekend. We'll be having doubt sessions on a Zoom call during the weekends. Also, on a daily basis, we'll be having a test of 30 questions on a daily basis. But now let me tell you here, why am I here with this program? एग्जाम के पहले टेस्ट सीरीज तो 100 मिल जाएंगी तुम लोगों को, हर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट की टेस्ट सीरीज मिल जाएगी. ओके, my focus is not here to get you a different kind of test series. No, not at all. अभी prelims आने वाला था जो postpone हो गया. I'm pretty sure सबके पास 100 टेस्ट पड़े होंगे. मैंने ही ग्रुप पे इतने सारे टेस्ट डाले हुए हैं. But my point here is full length टेस्ट और subject wise टेस्ट लगाना मेरा मोटिव या तुम लोगों को वो करवाना is not my motive. My motive here is the syllabus. उस syllabus में जो bullets mentioned हैं, we tend to miss out on those bullets. The exam is going to be conducted on those bullets. And अगर वही bullet जो books में दी हुई है, if you're not covering that, if you're not covering the basic portion of it, then there's no point reading. You read all throughout the year, but you don't cover those bullets. So my extensive focus on those 30 students would be regarding these bullets that are given in the syllabus. And that too on certain topics, on certain subjects. So it would be basically, the test would be conducted 5 days a week, and on the weekends we'll be having a doubt session which would be 1-to-1. उसके बाद sir and I would be analyzing it, and in 30 students का analysis would be discussed on the Zoom call where all of us would be discussing it together. वहाँ पे आपके negatives, आपके positives, the areas where you need improvement and how should you improve would be told upon. So I think you've got an overall idea of how this program would be taken up by me. Also, while you're watching this video, you'll be getting a description below. And apart from that, somewhere around me, you'll be getting a detail of how to enroll in this program. If you have any further queries, do comment and ask. Another thing is that we just have 30 students. We just have seats for 30 students. That's it. I hope you all are ready for this Mahasangram 30. That's how I'll call it. Mahasangram 30 students where I would be focusing maximum upon. So that's it. Thank you so much.